In a world dominated by four-stroke motocross bikes, Yamaha continues to keep the two-stroke dream alive with the 2027 YZ125. If you're a rider who craves that instant throttle response and that unmistakable ring-ding sound, this might be the most exciting bike on the track. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews, where today we're tearing into Yamaha's legendary two-stroke motocrosser that refuses to fade away. Design. The 2027 YZ125 stays true to its racing DNA with a lean, aggressive design built for one purpose: going fast on dirt. The updated bodywork is slimmer and more ergonomic, allowing for easier rider movement during aggressive riding. Yamaha's signature blue plastics look sharp, with refined graphics that honor the bike's heritage while keeping things modern. The overall package is incredibly lightweight, and you can feel it the moment you throw a leg over. This is a bike designed to be flickable, nimble, and race-ready straight out of the crate. Performance. The heart of the YZ125 is its iconic 125cc two-stroke engine, and Yamaha has fine-tuned it for 2027. The power band hits hard and rewards riders who know how to keep it singing in the right RPM range. That instant throttle response is addictive, and the power-to-weight ratio is simply phenomenal. The exhaust note is pure nostalgia mixed with performance. Paired with a smooth shifting 5-speed transmission and a hydraulic clutch that's light and precise, this engine delivers the pure, unfiltered riding experience that two-stroke enthusiasts live for. Features and technology. While the YZ125 keeps things refreshingly simple compared to modern four-strokes, Yamaha hasn't neglected important updates. The fully adjustable KYB suspension offers excellent performance for a wide range of riders and track conditions. The braking system features a powerful front disc that provides excellent stopping power and feel. The frame geometry has been refined for optimal handling, and the air-cooled engine means less maintenance complexity. This bike embraces the less is more philosophy, focusing on what matters most: pure riding performance. Conclusion. The 2027 YZ125 proves that two-strokes still have a place in modern motocross. It's light, fun, and delivers that raw riding experience you just can't get from a four-stroke. Are you team two-stroke or four-stroke? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, hit that like button, share it with your moto crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more motorcycle content. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you catch all our upcoming reviews. See you on the track!